na mwandi mwa ufumi musi mtasano yu wa mwanga mwaha wa Carling Cup wotumiwa mwa yote frao mtasano yu wavu chita mkwanga ngwenda mbili za Soweto zinazaba Orlando Pirates na Kaizer Chiefs feti na mwa thonamennde yi idota mkwanga timu na zinazaba Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns na Amazulu FC he timu zote zatuvutirwa nga batigezi. Sundowns yofa okabimo hauraru nga zivutu zinazaba tsumbo ya uri yatakalirwa nga batu.
We as Mamelodi Sundowns are doing a hell of a lot of work behind the scenes, not just to grow the fan base, because the fan base also grows because of the results. People want to be associated with winners.
Sundowns inabatamva sumbe uvizoka timu ya shaka ya vhana uitala mitambo mivili ya vukonani eni ya kodanga buya unomwezi batambi aba wakaterwa Ronwen William na tewo mkwena vhane wakoda thoma na mitambo yu wa Mugivhela wa Carling Cup.
I set so much high standards for myself that the adaptation was smooth for me. It was easy because, you know, I want to be better. I want to be challenging myself to be better each and every day.
Mutapa panda wa Sundowns Peter Selulenga diba honeka uyu mtambo saizwi achikadiba ovara.
When it comes to injuries, I very seldom speak about players that are unavailable. And the only reason I do that is because the energy and the emotions that I derive when I speak about a player that is unavailable are negative energies and negative emotions.
Sundowns kutotamba na Amazulu mtamboni wa thoma wa semifinal ya Carling Cup mbamatshelo nga Mugivhela mtambo yu tutakucheza nga hafu vanga warata nga matabelo hakuno tevela Kaizer Chiefs na Orlando Pirates nga warayo fumbili nga masiari timu zinazotofanya ka mitambo yi zitotangana kama kaula chere nga waraya utanu nga matabama.